Welcome. In this video I will explain how to properly maintain and clean your Helio Ring. So for daily cleaning, basically you can use any soft, dry, lint-free cloth. So once you remove your ring from your finger, simply clean it from the outside and the inside to remove some slight dirts and fingerprints, etc. And if you see some tiny dirt stamps, just use the cotton swab on the surface, ensuring that no liquids enter the sensors. Now for deeper cleaning, so if your Helio Ring is exposed to any soaps, lotions, perfumes or sweat, you should dampen a cloth slightly with a water and first gently wipe your ring and then quickly wipe it with a dry towel or cloth. Alternatively, to prevent damage fully and not to be afraid that you will damage something, use isopropyl alcohol, like 70% isopropyl alcohol. Just dampen your cloth very slightly in it, and then clean your ring with this cloth. Then of course afterwards wipe it with dry paper towel or a piece of cloth. Also you can use the isopropyl alcohol wipes if you have such, instead of damping the cloth yourself. Yeah, that's basically it. That should do all the work. The isopropyl alcohol is very good at removing dirt stamps or any other kinds of spoilage on your ring. And never use any sharp objects, never use any abrasives, cleaners, sanitizers, or immersing your ring in water beyond its 10 atm, which is not meant to be used, doesn't mean that this ring will withstand any hot showers. Also store your ring in a dry, clean place away from sunlight or any extremes, and clean the charging dock similarly. Now do not use water with it. If you really need to clean some dirt, first use some dry object, and if the dry object doesn't do the work, then use isopropyl alcohol. And once again, use a dry piece of cloth or the paper towel afterwards. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.